So for my chapter 11 Pencast, I decided to do number 2, which is the pulling dandelions problem. This problem states that you're basically pulling a dandelion and you need to figure out how much force the dandelion exerts on the tool. So here we are given this image, and I didn't feel like drawing it because I would have butchered it horribly. And so here you can see that the force exerted on the tool is at a 90-degree angle, and that when we use it with the torque equation, which I have listed here, torque is equal to the radius times the force times the sine of theta. And because the angle of the force exerted on the tool is 90 degrees, that just makes the sine of theta 1, and so you can kind of just cancel that out. And from here, what you have to do is you have to use not the 22 centimeters, but the 4 centimeters as your radius, since that is the distance from the pivot point. And in the problem, we are told that we are using a torque of 1.31 newtons. 1.31 newtons per meter. So once we have all that information, we basically just have to plug it into the problem. So we have 1.31 newtons per meter is equal to the 4 centimeters as the radius, times the force, times the sine of theta, which is just 1. And then once we solve for force by just dividing the torque by the radius, we are given a force of 33 newtons.